So you want to lift your Cherokee? Well, of course you do. That 2014 and newer KL is nice to drive around town. That's not something you want to change. What you do, however, want to change is your tire size and that Jeep's appearance. TeraFlex has the perfect solution to fill that burning desire and to open up some new trails with some added clearance and off-road capability. Just enough to make a difference, without getting crazy. This kit includes everything you'll need to make it happen. Angled spacers, shock relocation brackets, and all the goodness you'll need to run a set of 245/75s or even a set of 255/75s if you're willing to trim some plastic just a tad. The KL Cherokee 2-inch Performance Spacer Lift Kit, built to make all the difference in performance and appearance without compromising tire wear or ride. Of course everything's included. It's a TeraFlex product.